Dumpster rental service in Southeast Pennsylvania. At Blue Dumpsters Incorporated, we take pride in providing reliable dumpster rental service in Southeast Pennsylvania. We understand the importance of dependable waste disposal solutions, whether you're tackling a home renovation, managing a construction site, or cleaning up your property. That's why we strive to offer a seamless rental experience from start to finish. Our dedicated team ensures prompt delivery and timely pickups to keep your project running smoothly. We offer various dumpster options to suit any project size, giving you the flexibility you need. If you're unsure which option suits your needs, our friendly experts guide you through the selection process. Environmental responsibility is at the core of our operations. We prioritize proper waste disposal to minimize environmental impact and support sustainability efforts. You can trust us to handle waste responsibly while you focus on what matters most, your project. We aim to make waste management simple, efficient, and stress-free. Whether you're planning a one-time cleanup or managing an ongoing project, we're here to help. Call Blue Dumpsters Incorporated today at 215-999-2583 to schedule your rental and experience top-tier service that prioritizes your needs.